Hi, good afternoon, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to the second episode of Geography of 10th Standard. Okay, and I hope all are fine and take care. So, in the first episode of this chapter, that is climate. Okay, in Geography, third chapter, that is climate. We discussed what is meant by a climate and what is mean by a weather, and we know what is the difference between weather and climate. Okay, once again I shall tell you, weather is the climatic weather is the uh, atmospheric condition of a region, of a small region for a short period, that is known as weather. Okay, weather may change within a day. Whereas a climate is that atmospheric conditions of a large area for a long term period, maybe 3 or 4 months. That is the difference between a weather and climate. Okay, so in this chapter we are studying about the climate of India. Okay, globally, all over the world we can see there are four climates are there, four seasons are there, four seasons are there. They are, winter, summer, spring, and autumn. Okay, these are the four seasons all over the world. We can also see these four seasons in India, but mainly in India we can see summer. In India we can see these following seasons. That is the winter, the summer. The third one is the rainy season, and the fourth one is the retreating monsoon season. Okay, so these are the four seasons found in India, and the first one, let us take the first one. The first one is the winter season. It starts from the December and end in the February month. Okay, and this winter season gives us 2% of rainfall in India. Okay, in winter season also we will be getting little bit rain. The percentage is 2%. Okay, compared to the monsoon season, in winter we are only getting 2% of rain all over India. Okay, and in all over India, when we take India, Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India as well as in the world. Okay, and its name is Mausin Ram. Earlier it was another place in Meghalaya, both are in Meghalaya, that was Cherrapunji. Both this Cherrapunji and Mausin Ram are the highest rainfall receiving places in the world. Okay, that is in India. Okay, so that is about the winter season. Now let us go to the summer season. Okay, so in summer season, what happened? In summer season, the sunlight directly, or the sun rays directly falls on the northern hemisphere, and the northern hemisphere will be experiencing severe hot. Okay, and it will be very very summer in northern hemisphere, mainly from March to May. During this time is the time for summer in northern hemisphere. And in India, coming to India, Rajasthan recorded the highest temperature in India, that is one Ganganagar in Rajasthan. Okay, its temperature is recorded as 49.4 degrees Celsius, 49 nearby 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, and discussing about winter, it will be the sun rays is falling on southern hemisphere. As a result, what will happen? Northern hemisphere will be experiencing severe cold. Okay, that is during December to February. And January is the coldest month in India. January is the coldest month in India. Then third one, the rainy season, that is starting June to mid-September. Okay, June to September. And the monsoon season, or the rainy season actually starts from southwest part of India, actually from Kerala. Kerala get the first rainfall in the rainy season, and Kerala is also getting the last rainfall in India also. Okay, so Kerala is getting the highest rainfall, but because of wind, what is happening? Majority rainfall is happening in the Meghalaya, that is northeastern part of India, because of the presence of Himalayan and many other mountains. Okay, and we can divide the according to the rainfall. We can divide the rainfall region into three categories. First one is the low the low rainfall areas. The second one is medium rainfall areas, and the third one is highest rainfall regions. Okay, coming to lowest rainfall region, we can say the northwestern part of India, especially Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is getting the lowest or least rainfall in India, and it has the highest temperature also recorded in the summer season. It is nearby 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, actually it is 49.4 degrees Celsius. And coming to coming to medium type of rainfall, we can say Punjab and Tamil Nadu are some examples for getting medium type of rainfall. Okay, and the heavy rainfall, that is Western Ghats, that is in Malabar region of Kerala, the coastal region of Kerala, because of the presence of huge mountains, and that is known as Western Ghats. Okay, and moreover we can see Meghalaya is also getting they are getting the highest rainfall in the world. Okay, that is Mawsynram and Cherrapunji. Okay, and that is about rainfall. Okay, then the fourth one is the retreating monsoon. Okay, the retreating monsoon, or another kind of rainfall, rainy season, medium range of rainfall in between middle September to November. Okay, now we are passing through that season. Sometimes it is raining. Okay, not that much, but some the atmosphere will be cloudy during this time. Okay, in between September to November. Okay, and this is happening because of low pressure in Bay of Bengal. Okay, because of this pressure, some cyclonic winds are blowing from northeast direction from the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so because of this reason, it will be there will be disturbance in the ocean, and you might have seen the television news or radio news in giving to the fishermen. Okay, during this time they should not go to fishing. Okay, so this is very dangerous, and it can collapse the ship or boats. Okay, and these are the main seasons of India. Okay, so I hope you understood this part of this chapter. This is very simple chapter. Okay, the climate of India. Okay, till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.